Hello everybody, this is your host today on my channel Cchadwicka. Today we are going to some things about Bitcoin. Mainly we're going to go over where you can buy Bitcoin and some other things like that. This is the Screencast-O-Matic site I had made this video with. It's free, it's a pretty good site. So let's start with Uphold.com. I'm logged into my browser and notice I have 12 BTC or 12 Satoshi. I had sold some for $200 to somebody. I have used this site, and if I go to view more here, you'll see that I had that $210 purchase right there. It's about $5 in fees. It's pretty good. My account is currently locked right now because there's a hacker trying to access my account, so it's frozen. Another good place to buy, and probably my favorite, is localbitcoins.com. Localbitcoins.com, you log in, and as you can see, I'm logged in. I see Cchadwicka. And if you want to buy, you could say $50, or maybe you want to buy $22. I had somebody that wanted to buy $22 a day. And I'm going to say PayPal, but you can do online offers. So let's online offers. Let's check and see what kind of deals we can get today. As you can see, it's 2:48 p.m. 10/2/2018. The cheapest one, if you want to get the best deal, that's what you're looking for, is Nikito, $7,185. That's the rate at which you get Bitcoin. If you want to buy one from him, that's how much it would be. However, we searched for $22, so this is $0 to $407 buy limit. It goes down. Eventually, you'll get some people on here you trust. I'll show you my trusted site, people that I bought from. And 93 Hill, Bad Guy, Good Guy is my favorite. I should go through him. Mark V, I dealt with him the other day, and for some reason the transaction was reversed, and so I had to contact him and resend that. But that was odd. That's because the hacker had reversed that charge. Clement Jane, I don't think is on anymore, but I bought from her once, Dolphy. So, sometimes it's not the price you get it at, but it's, the person you deal with. So we're going to go by all online offers and see what it says here. So if you go to Walmart, then you can do a Walmart to Walmart, which costs $3 or $4. You can buy up to $377 worth at $6,474.66. Here's an option to pay with Western Union, WebMoney, Payeer, RIA, Chase. Go down here and all in US dollar or all in the United States. And that Walmart to Walmart is a very good deal. MoneyGram, Western Union, you can get a NetSpend card, and here's that website, WNetSpendPrepaid.com. I have an account there and MasterCard. We'll get to that later. So that's local Bitcoins. Bitit.io. I recently got ownership here, and I got approved recently yesterday at 2 in the afternoon. I was excited to be able to buy from them and see how that works and how the process goes. So keep in mind that Uphold, Local Bitcoins, Bitit, WeSellCrypto.com, and CXIO, all 5 of those websites are available to United States buyers. If I go to limits and verifications on WeSellCrypto.com and scroll down, I type in my email address. I press check, and as you can see, it'll have my record of the BTC I bought. Boy, I sure would like to have that now, but I spent it. Look at that. I bought $12 to BTC. It was 0.31 on 5/25/2017. Doesn't sound right, does it? Oh, that's LTC. I see. So yeah, that's We Sell Crypto, and it takes like 24 hours for it to appear in your website. They have what they call a cooldown period, I think. So we'll go to make a purchase and credit card next, and you can purchase Dogecoin, Redcoin, Litecoin, Dash, and Bitcoin. It's fairly easy and simple and straightforward. I guess, you know, we could go put in some USD here. For $100 of USD, I get 14,570 Doge. You enter your Dogecoin address there and your email address there. As we sell crypto, sometimes they're out, but they're good. I've never heard of them ripping anybody off. Local Bitcoins is good. I've never been ripped off there. Uphold is functional. I mean, it didn't show you, but there is the different types of coins you can hold here on uphold.com. There it is, add card currency, and here's the currencies they deal in: the Argentine peso, the Australian dollar, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Brazilian real, Canadian Danish. It goes on: Ether, Euro, Hong Kong dollar, Litecoin, Mexican peso, Norwegian krone, all the way down to US dollar and CNY or yuan. So, you know, it's comparable to Coinbase. It's not talked about in the media as much as Coinbase, with all the functions and just as much. So it's a pretty good site. And let's talk about funding methods here. While we look at this, this is Paxful. I can press buy Bitcoin. I'm logged in right now. I'm going to say $100, and we go select currency at US dollar. And the best way to pay, we're going to type in PAYP and click on PayPal, and I'm going to search. On the left here, you can see all the different methods of payment they offer, from Western Union, Amazon gift card, iTunes gift card, PlayStation, any credit debit card, gift cards, eBay cards. There's probably 50 to 100 different ones, Walmart to Walmart, and click on any of these and take you to something like this. For instance, if I want to pay with PayPal, and on this particular one, verify PayPal only, that one is photo ID required, So, I don't know, I've never been ripped off at Paxful before, but as you can see, I can get Bitcoin at $7,380.60 as compared to local Bitcoin, which was 7,000 something for PayPal. Paxful is a good site. It's totally legit. I like it. Cxio, you can buy once you get approved if you live in the United States, but the minimum you can purchase is $200. It's through credit card. You need a PayPal account. If you go to PayPal.com and be sure to HTTPS, secure sockets layer, encryption for a financial website, and you can get one here for free. I recommend the business website because you can accept credit cards and there's no fee, so PayPal is a great bank. Bluebird is my favorite prepaid card that you can pick up at your local grocery store or Walmart. The reason why I like it so much, besides that it's American Express, and I like American Express, it's a little more elite. It is no charge to add money to your account, and you can do that at Walmart. At the cash register, actually, so. I've never been charged a fee for having this card, and I've had this card for over a year or two. So that's American Express. So now I have, you know, on Paxful we could pay with PayPal, Bluebird American Express, which is on there as a matter of fact, down here somewhere. And let's see if I can find it. I have the air conditioner off, so it's starting to get cold. I'm ending this video early. So anyway, it's on there somewhere, and you can purchase through with the Amex Bluebird, and it's very competitive pricing. As a matter of fact, it's one of the better deals is buying with that Amex. Discover.com is another card I have in my wallet. It's one of my favorites. It's pretty cool. And Western Union NetSpend, that's through Western Union. A lot of those people on local Bitcoins have a pretty good deal with Western Union. For instance, here's one at $6,474.66. You should include your fees as long to Walmart. That's what I would do today because I'm just down the street from Walmart. It's a pretty good deal. Also, in local Bitcoins, you can sell your Bitcoins. Let's say you have 100 Bitcoins and you want to sell. Let's see, we'll sell 7,000 and stuff. I think we put it in USD. We'll do that. online offers. We want it in PayPal. I'm going to change that to 3,000. It's my limit on PayPal. And oh no, Western Union actually. I was going to show you. And go Western Union. Western Union, I've heard, is okay to send big amounts of. I think at the bus stations or the Western Union places. I know Regions Bank here in Arkansas has a Western Union office inside their bank, and so you could receive money on your Western Union NetSpend card, and they would buy Bitcoin from you at $6,278.46. And this one is 500 to 500,000 USD. That's a lot of money. He has. I would probably go to an institution, a building somewhere, if I was going to do anything over a few thousand. But he has 1,000 plus trades at 96% trust rating, which is good. So I would look at that. The thing about that is, really, it wouldn't be too dangerous because it keeps once you order it, the sellers on a click buy is what I'm talking about. The sellers. The seller's Bitcoin will arrive in an escrow account. So if you're going to buy $200,000, or here if you're going to buy, say, $10,000, then when you create the order and before you pay, the Bitcoin is in escrow, and you get a message, and that's the localbitcoins.com administrative people working, or maybe it's computer generated. So the buyer doesn't have the Bitcoins you're going to purchase anymore. They're in a escrow account to localbitcoins.com. Then you pay, so you can pay with Western Union, and on the order you would click I paid. Then the seller verifies you did pay and releases the Bitcoins. So if you do pay and he doesn't verify it, or if you do pay and he disagrees, rest assured localbitcoins.com administrative offices will definitely be there, especially on such a big USD. Anyway, I've only bought amounts in like $20 and stuff like that. That's the wallet, receive Bitcoin and stuff. That's a pretty good wallet banking system there. PayPal, MasterCard, Bluebird, Discover, and Western Union NetSpend. So buy Bitcoins online now. Localbitcoins.com. We sell crypto, CXIO, and Paxful. There's 6 sites in the United States you can buy Bitcoin from. And I know the last video I spoke a little bit about Apache OpenOffice and why you shouldn't download Microsoft Office and hack it. You can always download Apache OpenOffice. It's free. It's just like Microsoft Word, and if you used Word or Office, I'm sure you'll find that familiar. And that's all I have for you today. I've got about a minute and a half. So I suppose what we do for a minute and a half. I did download some programs today for YouTube Editor, ApowerEdit, VSDC Video Editor, Gamora, Lightworks, OpenShot, Livescreen, Corel. Finally got one of them to work. I was trying to black out the Euler of my video. So that's all for me today, and thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, and I will see you guys on the next video log. By the way, I've decided to do a video log every day, like a personal diary. So today I slept until 10 o'clock. No one's been over. I've been on the computer and pet my cats a little bit and had a fruit slush, which I thought was pretty good. I make those in my blender. Sometime I'll show you how I do that on another YouTube video. Until then, have a good day, and please watch my video and spread the word to watch my channel. Thank you.